In this video, I will show you how to withdraw Bitcoin from Kraken. To do this, first go and open up the Kraken app or website, and from there what you want to do is just head over to your portfolio and find Bitcoin. So you will find under your cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin, and from within Bitcoin you want to find a section that says withdrawal. So just click on withdrawal, and then here select the network that you want to transfer it over. Most often people use either Bitcoin or Lightning. I'll use Bitcoin. Now just make sure that the address you are sending to is using the exact same network and you enter the correct address. So here just add the address, so click add withdrawal address and then paste in the withdrawal address and a nickname that you want to send the Bitcoin to. Now if you've already used it before, you will see it in your list right here. So for example, I'll be using my Phantom Bitcoin right here. Now here you can choose how much you want to send, so I'll do it in euro, and let's say I want to send 10 euros. I can just enter that right there, and from there you want to go and click on review, or actually in this case the minimum is 17.9, so I'll use that. Then click review, then you can see the fee and how much will be sent. Now just click confirm if everything is correct, so you're using the same network and to the correct address, and then click confirm, and from there the Bitcoin will be transferred to the wallet address that you entered. Now if you're not sure where to find your wallet address, just open up the exchange or wallet you want to send to, click deposit, select deposit crypto and then deposit Bitcoin, select the same network you did on Kraken, and from there it will then give you your wallet address that you can paste in on Kraken. So now you know how to withdraw Bitcoin from Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.